Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times. It's been several days though since the last update, but the last update I did do was where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And then after today's price action, something actually happened, that made it worthwhile to update. That quote unquote something that happened revolves around this support level right here at $1.65. And, it really depends. I mean, if you're bearish and you like this price action, if you're bullish, then, not exactly what you would want to see. But the bears did indeed press down below that support. And you can see after that, after they pushed through, the momentum only carried further down through the remainder of the day. Now, the one thing I want to note before I forget is, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up again because check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Big old volume. And then this little candle here formed. So it's not like big volume happened and this was a nasty red candle, or, heck, it's not like it was even a big green candle, just kind of a very neutral candle on that big volume. So am I saying that's a sign that this thing's headed up to $2.50 on Monday? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that from a technical perspective, very interesting to see such a surge of volume like that in the final 30 minutes. And then pretty much a relatively neutral candle form there. So something to keep an eye on there. As far as updates are concerned, just going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, it pertains, but I don't want a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep things as clean as possible. And then the initial update comes based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have been watching, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.65 as support. But as we've talked about, I should say, the price has broken below it. Therefore, now that would be considered an area of resistance. And then also from more so kind of the overall picture of things, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And the easiest way to just look at kind of the overall chart right now is the bears are in total control as long as the price is down below that purple line. So we'll see if the bulls can kind of level out and fight back this next week, or if the bears are just going to continue to press the price downwards. We'll have to sit back and see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.